In this video, we will show you how to create a Java file and compile it and run it just by using command line. Remember, all it's done by using command line. In order to run command line, we use the keyboard shortcut Windows and R. And here we type cmd and we get to the command prompt. Now the first thing I'll do is I'm going to create a folder in my desktop. So first I'll use the command cd to change the directory and go to the desktop and use the command line dir. This helps me to list all of the content of my desktop. Here you can see I have some content, some folders and files. So I'm going to create a new folder called Java. In order to create a new folder, you use the command mk, well, basically make dir. This is what it means. Make dir followed by the name of the folder. So the name of the folder will be Java. So if I'll use the command dir again, now here you can see that the file has already been created. Dir, you can see that now we have a Java file. So let's switch to that folder I mean, not file. Let's use the cd and Java. Now we're inside this folder. So in order to create a file, which is a Java file, we don't use the edit command anymore. Now this was the case in earlier versions of Windows. Now I believe you can use it in Windows 32 bits, but in Windows 10 in 64-bit you can't use the edit command. Instead we use Notepad. Now Notepad means well, it basically means to create a file. Now the name of the file that we'll be creating is hello world with the .java extension. Now this prompts me to save the file, so I've saved it. So let's create a file which is a Java source file. Let's use the keyword class and followed by the name of the class, and let's open the curly braces and let's create the main method public, which is a public static void main. Now remember, all of these keywords are special and they mean something. We'll cover all of that in later videos. String args. So let's open again parentheses to wrap our method, which is a main method. Now to print something out to the screen, we use systemout.println, and after that we open quotes, hello and world, and let's close quotes again and save the file. So now let's go back to the command line and run the file. If we update this, we can see now that this command lists all of the content. By now we have hello world.java file. In order to compile the file, we need to use the javac. Remember, javac stands for Java compile. Compile basically means to turn the code that we write into the code that can machine understand, in this case the computer. So let's run the file. When compile means javac hello world with a Java extension. Click enter. Now the file Java hello world has been generated. Here we can see that we have a hello world.class file that has been generated, and let's now run the file. In order to run it, we use Java, after the Java keyword, the name of the class without the class extension, and click enter. This is how you run it. So I hope this helped you to summarize some complexity related to command line. So if you found this useful, subscribe to my channel and like the video.